The Alibaba company just released a new model called Qwen VLo, and basically this is an AI model that is able to generate and even edit a picture. Now, what's unique about this model is that it is apparently very good at editing some content from the picture. So this is just some demo that you could check out on the announcement page. So first, the person asked AI to generate a cute Shiba Inu dog, and this is the result. And also, you can generate a picture, so you can change the background, for example. You can also add some accessories like hat or sunglasses, and you can even change the style of the picture, which is very interesting. And as you can see, the look of the dog is more or less consistent, although from my testing it is not 100% perfect, even though the architecture allows it to make some editing or to only target the thing that you want it to edit. But overall, I would say it's not yet on the level of Black Forest Labs, Flux, or Gemini AI, at least in my opinion. But regardless, at least this is a new model that you can try, and it is free. And if you want to try the Qwen VLo model to create a picture or to even edit a picture, then you can navigate to chat.qwen.ai, and you can create a free account right here. And for the model, it doesn't matter what model you're using, because if you are trying to create or edit a picture, it will automatically preference the Qwen VLo model. So in this case, I'll try to generate a new picture, and later I'm going to show you how you can upload a picture and then edit that picture. Now let's try creating a picture of let's say create a picture of a corgi and a bunny. Let's say it's blue bunny, okay? And here you don't have to, click any setting. Basically, as long as you mention that you want to create a picture, it will understand and will start utilizing the Qwen VLo model to generate a picture. So what's unique about this model is that it is actually not generating the whole picture at once. It will in fact just create a picture from left to right, top to bottom. So at least according to the announcement article that I read, it is allowing the model to be able to target or specify the thing that you want to create. So basically, at least in theory, it will make the editing process much more precise and more accurate. So this is the result. Let's say I'm not quite happy with the background, so let's add a different background. Change the background to grassland. Send the message again. And as you can see, it's actually very quick. You can use natural language. And by the way, this model seems to be good at English, Spanish, and of course Mandarin, because it is from China. So naturally, it's going to be good in the Mandarin language. And yeah, as you can see, it's generating the picture, and maybe it's still the same. I hope it's still the same characters. It looks a bit different. So maybe there is a higher model where it is very consistent, but more or less you can tell that the structure is still the same. The characters are more or less the same, but again, if you look closely, the colors look a bit different. Some poses just look a bit different, but overall, I would say given the performance and speed, and also the fact that it is free, I think it is pretty good. And also, there is no watermark, unlike in Gemini where there's going to be some watermark at the bottom right of the corner, but here there is no watermark, and you can download the picture to your device. Now, what if you want to upload a picture and then you want to edit a picture? Now, honestly, that's not something that I would like to do because it's not very good, but either way, you can click on this button and then click upload image. And then let's try adding this picture. So it's a picture of Vin Diesel. And the reason why I'm going to be using his pictures, because most AI models, especially from the American market, usually not going to allow you to edit a picture or where there is a celebrity or big public figure. But in this case, it doesn't have any problem. It will edit the picture even if that person is famous. Now I'm going to add, let's say this picture is just empty. Please add family to the scene. So let's try using that. Send a message and just wait for AI to finish creating the picture. And usually it's not gonna be doing a great job at maintaining the character consistency, like the facial expression. Usually you can notice that something is a bit off. Okay, this is not looking great. The person looks different and it changes a bit, maybe because of the process of generating a picture. And yeah, this is the result. Apparently it's pretty accurate because he seems to have multiple partners in the movie. But anyway, this is the result. The pose is more or less the same, the shirt is the same, the hairless hat is still the same, but the face just looks different. So yeah, it's still very early, and it's still the first model by Alibaba that is multimodal and can create or edit a picture. But again, I'm quite happy that we have another option to create a picture. I think for creating a simple cartoon character or 3D style, anime style like that, it has no problem. It is doing quite a great job. So yeah, go ahead, you can navigate to chat.qwen.ai, you can create a free account, and you can, you know, use this tool to create or edit a picture. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.